Steak with chimichurri sauce.
Hi everyone, today we're gonna have a steak. So the part of the steak that we're gonna use today is gonna be picanha. So because we want to have the fat and the beef, so it's gonna be perfect for the steak for today. So first of all, we're just gonna marinate basically we're gonna do really easy style. So just gonna be salt and pepper. That's gonna be that's it. So we're gonna have the salt later on, so it's gonna be perfect. That's gonna be it. So let's make it sit outside for at least an hour before we start to cook. Okay, today we're gonna make the sauce for the steak. This is gonna be chimichurri sauce. So the ingredient is gonna have the fresh parsley and shallot, garlic, and pepper. So you can have to chop it by the hand, or you can use a blender. So today I'm gonna use a blender just for the easy cooking. It's gonna come out like this. Alright, we're gonna get this gonna dump everything in. So first thing, I just gonna go with the hot water, hot or warm water. It's gonna be 2 tablespoons the red pepper flake. This one, I would say I don't want it too spicy, so you can use 1 to 2 tablespoons. But for me, I think I'll just go this, just to taste it, not too much. So and the next one we're gonna go with this one, the red white vinegar. So it's gonna be 1.4 cup. And the last one is gonna be olive oil. Olive oil, I want to try 1.4 first, just to see how it tastes. So if it's not enough, I can add on later on. But I just want to see it like this one. So the next one is gonna be red pepper, just to taste. I don't have to make it on it, so I'm just gonna put a little bit. And also the salt, just to taste. So maybe you don't need to put that much. Just try and taste it first. So we're gonna mix I think this one for me is a little bit too sour, so I just gonna decide to put more another 1.4 cup of olive oil. Let's make it more oil. Just to drop the taste of the vinegar a little bit. And I think I still need more salt. I think I want a little bit more salt. So perfect. Alright, we're gonna move to the other section to do the our steak. Let's go. To make it more flavorful of the beef, and we can make it. Listen. So juicy.
Follow me for more recipes.